Good morning, B2 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 17th of June 2020. For today's learning objective for our learning target, can you read with me? I can understand the word switch. Last meeting during our live session class last Friday, I discussed to you about switch, right? So there is an open circuit and a closed circuit. So what is the thing that is used so that the circuit can be off and can be on? So when there is a gap on the circuit, it means that there is no electricity that can flow, right? Because there's a gap. Remember this one? This is the switch is on or closed circuit. So if we turn on the switch, it means that it's a closed circuit. So if it's a closed circuit, then the electricity can flow. Remember, electricity will go around in a loop with the wires. First, electricity will come to the negative side of the battery, and then it will go to I have here a battery. I'm gonna show you. So this part is the negative part of the battery, and this is the positive side, right? So again, some batteries, like the big ones, sometimes it just you can see the negative and the positive on the side, and some batteries, like the one we used in like watches and some toys, they are just flat, right? So those are different types of battery. So again, today we're gonna talk about switch. So before we go deeper into the word switch, we're going to review first. What is a circuit? Okay, I know you knew this already because I know that you are all smart. Yes. So I have written here the definition of switch. You can always look at the end of your book. If you find words that you don't understand, you can go back, you can flip your book at the very end and you will see the definitions or the meaning of the words. Okay, so here let's review what is a circuit. A circuit a circuit is a complete path that electricity can flow around. So again, what are the things that we need in order to make so that the circuit can work? We need the battery or the cell. We need the bulb, B-U-L-B, and we need a wire. We need the bulb holder and a cell holder. Sometimes you don't need a bulb holder and a cell holder. Remember the first video that I showed you, that the guy just only used some clips, bulb, wire, and the battery. That's all he needs, and some paper clip, right? Very simple. Okay, so again, here is the picture. So if you will pick up your book and open it to page, let's go back. So these are the things that we need in order to make a circuit. So we have, of course, the cell or the battery, the bulb holder, the wire, the bulb, and then this is the cell holder. So if we put them all together, this is how it looks, right? So here, so this is the wire, the bulb holder, the bulb, another wire. This is the battery holder and the battery. So a circuit is like a circle, right? So just imagine that circuit, for you to remember the word circuit, just remember circle, okay? So circle, it goes around. The electricity from the cell will come out in the negative, and it will go here, 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 here. But if we will use switch, so switch is something that can break the flow of electricity in a circuit. So a switch can turn on, will make the circuit closed, means there's no gap. So this is the switch on, like a glasses connected together. So it means that this is connected, so there's no gap, and then the electricity can flow. It means the electricity will work, or if there's a bulb, the bulb will light up or turn on. And if the switch is off, so again, switch can break the flow of electricity in a circuit. So it can, if it's on, the electricity will flow. If it's off, then there is a gap. You see this one? They're not connected to each other. And so the electricity, no electricity can flow, or the electricity cannot flow. It means that the bulb will not turn on, right? Okay, so here, so this is the circuit, right? So if we will look at the switch, so these are examples of switches. So in this book, this is 5.5 switches, and it's page 56 in your book, page 56. So a switch can be used to turn electricity on or off. So these are types of switches. You see this, and like this, and like that. So if it's on, it means that the electricity, the circuit is closed. If the circuit is closed, it means that the electricity can flow. And if the circuit is off, then the switch is, if the switch is off, it means that the circuit is open, right? If it's a circuit is open, it means that there's a gap, and like this. So this is the switch. So if this is open, and so it means there's an open circuit, no electricity. This is, the switch is off. If it's down, pull down, and here it's on. And if the switch is on, it means it's a closed circuit. There's no gap, right? If we pull it down here. All right. Thank you so much for your time today and for your assignment. Teacher will post something related to this one. All right. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you will have a wonderful day today. And teacher will give you your star because you are so good today. There we go. What's inside? Wow, star. Bye-bye.